Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be performing face and eye detection using the Haar Cascade Classifier in OpenCV. Let's navigate to our project directory. Here's the image we're going to use for face and eyes detection. We will start by opening our project directory in PyCharm IDE. I'll walk you through the code step by step and show you how to get it running on your own machine. Let's dive in. Create a new Python script if it's not already created. I am going to clear this code. We need to set up a virtual environment. You can create a new virtual environment. I am going to use an existing virtual environment. To do so, I need to provide Python executable path of my existing virtual environment. Now let's dive into the coding part. We'll be using OpenCV, a powerful library for image processing tasks. Let's start by importing it. Type import cv2 as cv. OpenCV comes with a set of pre-trained classifiers for various objects. We'll use the face and eye detection classifiers. Let's load the pre-trained face and eye detection. Face_cascade equals cv.cascade classifier, cv.data to Haar Cascades plus Haar Cascade_frontface_default, XML. I_cascade equals cv.cascade classifier, cv.data to Haar Cascades plus Haar Cascade_I.xml. Next, we'll read the image on which we want to perform face and eye detection. Image equals cv_imread faces.jpg. For better accuracy in detection, we'll convert the image to grayscale. Face detection algorithms typically perform better on grayscale images because they reduce computational complexity. Type gray_image equals cv color image cv_color_bgr2 gray. With a grayscale image ready, we can now detect faces using the detect multi-scale method. This method will return a list of rectangles where faces are detected. We provide the gray image and scale factor adjusts for different face sizes in the image. Min neighbors determines how many rectangles around a face are needed to confirm a detection. Min size sets the smallest size for detected faces. We'll iterate over each detected face and draw rectangles around them. Additionally, we'll detect and draw rectangles around the eyes within each detected face. First, we'll loop through each face detected by the face classifier. Each face is represented by a rectangle defined by its x and y coordinates and its width, w, and height, h. Inside the loop, we'll draw a green rectangle around each detected face using the coordinates and dimensions provided, with a green color and a line thickness of 2 pixels. Next, we'll define the region of interest, ROI, within the grayscale image, where we will search for eyes. We will use slicing to extract the region from the grayscale image. This ROI is the area inside the rectangle that represents the detected face. Similarly, extract the region from the color image. Within the face ROI, we'll use the eye classifier to detect eyes. The detect multi-scale method will return a list of rectangles where eyes are. We will loop through each detected eye in the ROI area in the gray image. Then we will draw a blue rectangle around it using the coordinates and dimensions provided, with a blue color and a line thickness of 2 pixels. Now, let's display the image with rectangles drawn around the detected faces and eyes. We'll use OpenCV's imShow function. We'll pass a window name as face and eye detection, and pass our image to it. Finally, we'll add a key press event to close the window. The waitKey function waits for a key event indefinitely and destroy all windows will close the image window when a key is pressed. Before running our program, we need to download the Haar Cascade files for face and eyes detection. Open your browser and search for Haar Cascade_frontface_default.xml. Click on the first link that appears. You'll see a download button. Click on it to download the file. Similarly, search for Haar Cascade_I.xml and click on the first link that appears. You'll see a download button. Click on it to download the file. Once both the files are downloaded, place the files in your project directory. Before running our program, we need to fix some typos in our code. So add S to the Haar Cascade in this line. Also change the file format to XML. Now install OpenCV package from the package manager. Once OpenCV is installed, run the script. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the image with rectangles drawn around the detected faces and eyes. If the detections are not correct, then you should tweak the parameters in the Detect Multi-Scale function. This is how you've successfully implemented face and eye detection using the Haar Cascade Classifier in OpenCV. If you found this video helpful, consider to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. See you in the next video. Happy coding!